Newsletters are one of the most underrated businesses that you can build right now because you can get started today for free. You don't need to show your face online. You can run them from anywhere in the world, and they only take a few hours per week to manage. On top of that, newsletters are helping creators like Ali Abdaal make over $5,000 every time he sends an email.
For me, starting an email newsletter was one of the best decisions I've made in my life as a creator, and now every time I send an email, I make around $5,000, which is more than I was making in a whole month of working full-time as a doctor.
And it's even made people like Alex Lieberman over $75 million. And inside of Kajabi, you can now build and sell your very own newsletter in just a few minutes. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process. And before we jump into it, if you haven't joined Kajabi and you want to follow along with this tutorial, I have an extended free trial link that gives you 30 days free instead of the usual 14 days on their website in the description below for you. Alongside this extended free trial, you'll also get instant access to my digital product blueprint course, plus a bunch of free bonuses to help you launch your online business as quickly as possible. Alright, so once you've created your free Kajabi account, you're now going to be inside the Kajabi dashboard. So from here, head over to products and then click on newsletter and then hit get started. Now from here, we're going to add a name, description, and thumbnail for our newsletter. And when it comes to choosing a name, I recommend having something that clearly communicates what your subscribers are going to receive. So for example, I'm going to do digital product blueprints. And then for the description, I'm going to write what they're going to receive. So for example, weekly case studies revealing how creators are turning their knowledge into 6- and 7-figure digital products, plus the exact templates they use to launch, market, and sell. And you can change the name and description of your newsletter at any time inside of Kajabi, so please don't stress out and don't spend a bunch of time on this. But now for the thumbnail, you can add in anything you want in here, but for this example, I'm just going to skip it. Now on this page, we can decide if we want a free or paid newsletter. And to make this simple for you, if you're just getting started, I recommend making your newsletter free so that it becomes a lead magnet to grow your email list. And then over time, as your newsletter grows and you've optimized your messaging and your content, you can start adding premium content where people have to pay monthly or annually to access it. And this is exactly how creators like Dickie Bush and Nicholas Cole have scaled their paid newsletter right with AI to nearly $40,000 per month. Within their newsletter, they have free content, subscriber only content, and paid content. So following their blueprint, you can get really creative with this. That said, if you've already got some experience and you know exactly what your target audience wants, then you can start straight away with a paid newsletter. And inside of Kajabi, the setup for a free or paid newsletter is basically the same. So to do this, make sure this toggle is switched on, and then we can choose the payment frequency. And for most newsletters, you would charge a monthly subscription, but here there are some other options. With that said, I'm going to choose subscription, and then I'll set the price to $9, and then let's change the intervals to once a month. Now, once you've done all of that and connected your payment processor, hit next, and just like that, your newsletter has been created. So now from here, you're going to see that Kajabi actually auto-generated some draft posts using their AI. And these drafts are based on your newsletter title and description, and you can just click on them to open them up. And then from here, you can use them as the foundation of your first post. That said, if you want to write a new post from scratch, go back and then click new post button here to take you to the builder. And it's here where you can either type out your newsletter, or if you write it somewhere else, you can just easily copy and paste the text here. That said, if you click this plus icon, this window will open up, and it's here where all the magic happens. So you'll see you can add images, lists, embedded links, and even paywall and subscriber breaks. So these breaks are a unique way to tease exclusive content to your free subscribers. So for example, a subscriber break will mean people must be subscribed, aka give you their email to keep reading your post. And a paywall break means people must be paying subscribers to unlock the rest of the post. And here's an example post of what these breaks could look like. And this feature inside of Kajabi is a game changer because it turns every newsletter post into a mini sales funnel for your business. That said, in the settings tab, you can also add a post thumbnail, and you can also add in any additional information to help increase the SEO of your newsletter posts. And at the bottom, you can also set the email subject line, preview text, and which subscribers you want to send this post to. So again, a lot of flexibility to easily run a free or paid newsletter within these settings. That said, when you click publish, you can also choose if you want to schedule this post or if you want to make it go live by clicking these options here. But now, before you publish your first post, I recommend going back to your newsletter dashboard and then customizing the look and feel of your newsletter. So to do this, click this icon here, and now you can choose whichever page you want to edit. And firstly, this newsletter page is what your subscribers will see when they log into it. Next, the sign up page is going to be where you send people to actually sign up and join your newsletter. And for this page, you'll see that Kajabi has automatically input your newsletter name and description here. But I personally believe having a more benefit driven headline will help you get more subscribers. So for example, if we look at a successful newsletter like Justin Welsh's Saturday Solopreneur, he has a very enticing headline as his main text instead of his newsletter name. And it's the same thing with Ali Abdaal's newsletter. You're going to see that even though his newsletter is named Life Notes, the headline he uses on his sign up page is free weekly productivity insights. So for my newsletter, I can untick this box here, and now I can change the headline to still the strategies behind 6 and 7 figure digital product businesses. For the description though, I'm just going to use the same one since it clearly states what my readers are going to get. And something I want you to keep in mind as your newsletter grows is that you want to make sure you're collecting testimonials. Because again, if we look at Justin Welsh and Ali Abdaal's newsletter sign up pages, they use a lot of social proof and testimonials because they understand that these help increase the conversion rate. And I personally use a software called Senja for my testimonials, and this software allows me to display my testimonials like this on my landing pages. But now moving on to the post page here, and this is how your actual newsletter posts are gonna look for your readers. And when it comes to your post page, I recommend just keeping it clean and easy to read for your subscribers. And all of these pages use the same page builder experience as the other features inside of Kajabi. So it's super easy to add or remove elements from your pages, and this is something I really enjoy about Kajabi because you don't need any coding or web development skills to create your pages. But now, once you've customized the look and feel of your newsletter, you can copy the links by clicking the 3 dots here, then share, and then you can copy either the newsletter homepage or the sign up page. So if I go to the sign up page, I can test it out by adding my email and signing up. And as soon as I sign up, I'll automatically receive a welcome email that Kajabi's AI has written for me. That said, if you want to change this welcome email, which I recommend you do, we can do this by heading over to marketing, then forms. Now at the top here, we're going to see that Kajabi has automatically created a form for us. So click that, and then here we can change the opt-in settings from double opt-in to single opt-in. And I personally like setting this to single opt-in because this means my subscribers don't need to confirm their subscription and they can start receiving my emails straight away. But now if we scroll down, we can also edit the form fields. So basically it's here where you can add more requirements for people to add in before joining your newsletter. So for example, right now, my newsletter is set to only email, which means people only need to enter their email to join my newsletter. But if I wanted to collect more information, I could add things like name or phone number. But again, I personally just leave this with email because the more things you ask for here, the lower your conversion rate is going to be. But now at the bottom here is where we can edit our welcome email. So to do this, click icon, and here we can change the email subject line and the email copy. And this welcome email is one of the most important emails you're going to send. So I do recommend putting some thought into it because this is going to be the first impression your readers will have. So some things to include in your welcome email is a thank you for signing up, a short relatable story about yourself, what they can expect from your newsletter, a quick win or something valuable for your subscriber, and a question for them to answer and reply to. That said, when you use the Kajabi link in my description, you'll get free access to my AI prompt library. And inside you'll find done for you AI prompt templates that will help you write this welcome sequence in seconds. But with that said, I also like to tag all of my newsletter subscribers so that it keeps my contacts nice and organized inside of Kajabi. And you can do this by hitting add automation, then select add tag, and then we can name it something like digital product blueprints, newsletter subscriber, and then I'll just hit save. But now at this point, you should now have your very own newsletter ready to go, and the only thing to do now is to market it and start sending out emails. And I have a dedicated video here that dives a lot deeper into how to actually make money with your newsletter, which you can check out here. I'll see you there.